Alright, is it me, or are we all just a little bit tired of Ducati oil filters leaking? I'm pretty sure it's not me. So, for about the last, what, 3-4 years, something like that, and you see how tight this is on here, right? This oil filter's on here tight. And I don't know if it's Italy has gotten cheap and they're using Chinese rubber or whatever. Oh, you see how tight that is. So that filter, it began its life hand tight on this motorcycle. It's only been on here about 1,000 miles, if that. I mean, you see the oil's not even dirty yet. And the sad thing is, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you're getting your oil filter from Amazon or from the Ducati dealer. They all leak. Every one of them leaks. And I know it's not just me, because I've gone out on Amazon and I've looked at your reviews, and you all are saying that your oil filter's leaking. So here's a brand new $25 oil filter. It was just shipped to me, and man, I don't get it. I don't know what it is. It's kind of like it's just kind of like Italy decided that maybe they're going to go with a Chinese O-ring or something. They're getting the cheapest rubber possible in the O-ring. But that is not as tight as I can possibly get it. You should not be putting an oil filter on the motorcycle and torquing it down to as tight as you can possibly get it. But it seems like that's what we have to do now with Ducati oil filters. And that sucks, Ducati. So there's a brand new oil filter. There's an oil filter with 1,000 miles on it. And I don't know if you can really tell, but the O-ring feels like rubber. I mean, there's the O-ring, and it's rubbery. I don't see a reason why this O-ring should be leaking. I just don't have an excuse. But on all three of my Ducatis in the last 5 years, I've had problems with the oil filter leaking, and you know I'm not alone, because if you look at the Ducati oil filter reviews on on Amazon, like I said, or you just Google it, because you can find it on Reddit as well. Everybody's complaining that their oil filter's leaking, and it's not leaking a lot. It's just dripping oil underneath the bike. So instead of us riding Ducatis, it's like we're riding a Harley, and it gets oil all over the bottom of our engine, our plastics. It just makes a mess out of everything. So anybody from Ducati, if you're watching this, do better, please. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up button.